Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I will explain to you from the worksheet that I give to you in previous post. This is question number 1, but I take in second page. Okay, second page they are asking for you to draw the graph. And then from the graph, from the cumulative frequency graph, you need to find the median, the 30th percentile, and so on. Okay, so first of all, after I review the comment, majority of you are asking about the quartile. Okay, the quartile, the percentile, the lower quartile, upper quartile. Okay, so basically, okay, look from here. This is second page. Okay, second page from the worksheet that I give to you before. Okay, when you fill up the table, okay, so here 95, and then last one is 120. Okay, then you take this value and this value, you plot on the graph. Okay, so the shape of the cumulative graph, we got this one. Okay, now what does it mean by quartile? Okay, always remember quartile is derived from the word quarter. What does it mean by quarter? 1 over 4. Okay, quarter is 1 over 4. Okay, but for this question, the question are asking about, okay, the first one, use your graph, find what is the median. Okay, the median height. Okay, the word median is coming from the word middle. Okay, middle. What does it mean by middle? So for this case, we know that the total cumulative frequency is 120. What is the middle of 120? So in another word, half of 120. Okay, so half of 120 is 60. Okay, so we can say that for the median, what do you do is 120, when you divide by 2, you get 60. This 60 is the value on the cumulative frequency axis. Okay, it's not our final answer yet. Okay, if you look over here, okay, 60 is 50% from the total cumulative frequency. Okay, 50%. Okay, so I want to ask you, if just now when we mentioned about the quartile, it says that quartile is coming from the word quarter. Okay, quarter is 1 over 4. Okay, so you must remember, when you want to talk about quartile, there are lower quartile, upper quartile, and another one we call interquartile. What is the difference between these three? Lower quartile is 25% from the total cumulative frequency. Okay, meanwhile upper quartile is 75% from the total cumulative frequency. Interquartile is the subtraction between upper and lower. Okay, so for the interquartile, we can say that upper minus lower. It's not 75% minus 25%. No, this is the result of the lower and upper we minus. I will show you after this. Okay, so first of all, if you look over here, okay, this 60 is represent half of 120, which is median. Median is 50% from the cumulative frequency. So in order to get the answer for the median, you take a ruler, so you project until you hit the curve over here, then you read below here. So it's around 1.61 lah. Okay, around 1.61. okay, so 1.61 is the height on the horizontal axis over here. Okay, so next question, they are asking about the 30th percentile. Okay, percentile. 30th percentile meaning 30% from the total cumulative value. Okay, our total cumulative value over here is 120. So what can you do is you can calculate like this: 30% multiplied by 120, which is equal to 36. Okay, this 36, what you need to do is you need to look from the graph. Where is 36? So 36 is somewhere over here. Okay, so here is 36. Okay, so you take a graph, you take a ruler, you project until you hit the curve somewhere over here. Is here, so 1.58. okay, around 1.58. So this 1.58 is represent for the 30%, or we call 30th percentile. Okay, so let's go back to our lower quartile and upper quartile, interquartile. Okay, just in case if I add extra question for this graph. Okay, find what is the lower quartile. Okay, lower quartile. So what I mentioned just now, lower quartile represent by 25% from the total cumulative frequency. So in order to calculate for the lower quartile, okay, for the lower quartile, so 25%. So 25% from 120, which is equal to 30. Okay, this 30 you need to take from the cumulative frequency axis. Okay, so this is 30. So you go over here, you touch here, then you go down over here. How much? So 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 6, 1.56. Okay, so for the lower quartile, the value that we found from the height is 1.56. Okay, 1.56 is our lower quartile. Then next, upper quartile, similar like lower quartile, but for the upper quartile, we need to find 75% from 120. So 75% from 120, which is equal to 90. Equal to 90, but 90 is not the height. Okay, 90 is the cumulative frequency. Then we took from the 90 over here. So you take your ruler, touch over here, somewhere over here. So around 1.69. Okay, around 1.69. Okay, 1.69 is our upper quartile. 1.56 is our lower quartile. Okay, lower quartile, I repeat again, is represent 25% from the total cumulative. Upper quartile represent 75% from the total cumulative. Okay, and then the next one, interquartile. Okay, I write down here, interquartile. So for the interquartile, like I told you, interquartile is upper quartile minus lower quartile. But don't take 90 minus 30. No. Okay. What we need to take is the result. 1.69. 1.69 minus 1.56. Okay. So you get 0.13. So 0.13 is the interquartile. Interquartile meaning the difference between upper minus lower. Okay, so 1.69 minus 1.56, we got 0.13. So this is the interquartile. Okay, if you go back to our graph about the median just now. Okay, median is half, right? Here, 60. So this one we call Q2. Q2 represent half, median. Okay, median 50%. Lower quartile 25%. Here, right, which is 30. So here is the lower quartile. Okay, for the lower quartile we call Q1. Okay, Q1, first quarter. This is second quarter, like that. So Q1 is represent for the lower quartile. Upper quartile is 75%. Here, this is the upper quartile, 90. Okay, so this is Q3. Okay, if you look over here, Q1, Q2, Q3, and the top one here is Q4 lah. Q4 is one complete set, cumulative frequency. But for the lower quartile, upper quartile, and interquartile, we just take the percentage from the total cumulative. Okay, and then one of your friend asking, teacher, how to interpret the graph. Okay, how to interpret the graph. Okay, from the graph, if you look over here, this is the graph of cumulative frequency, right? We want to find the median height and then the percentile. Okay, make sure when you draw the graph, the shape of cumulative frequency graph always like this curve. Okay, always like this. Okay, and then from this graph, the purpose of drawing cumulative frequency graph, okay, the purpose is number one, to find the median for group data. Okay, to find the median for the group data. And also this cumulative frequency is also useful to find like this lah, lower quartile, upper quartile, interquartile, and then sometimes they can specific for you the percentage, how much quartile they want. For this case, they want 30%. Some question also they also can ask you what is the 60 percentile. 60 percentile meaning 60%. So the technique is same like this. For this question, 30%, first you calculate 30% from 120, which is 36. Then you look from the graph, 36. Then you get the answer over here, 1.61. Okay, so 1.58 for the 30%. 1.61 is median, so 1.58. Okay, so this is cumulative frequency graph. Okay, so if you have any more question, you can ask. Okay.